Mangrove! Mangroves are woody plants that live in areas covered and exposed by the tides. Mangroves can be found in the sheltered waters of our North Island